One day, I'm getting ready to apply to culinary school. In the application, there is an essay portion that asks the question, what made you want to become a chef? The question inspired me to find out why other people become chefs, what other chefs want to transform their career, how their education helped them, what outside influences contributed to their outcome as a chef, and anything else they're willing to share. I've always loved cooking and haven't met anyone else who shares my passion. So finding out what drives someone else to cook will be incredibly helpful. To me, a real chef is creative, not just following a recipe. They like to experiment with flavors and textures. They like mixing up a bit, as in fusion cuisine. I do what I do because I love it. The gluten-free thing is more about helping others and eating healthier.
Di mo alam dahil sa'yo ako'y di makakain. Di rin makatulog buhat ng iyong lokohin. Kung ako'y muling iibig, sana'y di maging katulad mo. Tulad mo na may pusong bato. Kahit sa